Hi, this is Megan with Jeff Cook Real Estate. Did you know that owning a home is one of the biggest investments you'll make in your lifetime? At Jeff Cook Real Estate, we understand the importance of owning and maintaining your home. It's the perfect time of year for routine checkups around your house before the cooler temperatures come in. Here are some of our expert tips to keeping your home safe and clean. Give your bathroom exhaust fans a deep cleaning. Cleaning the vents is key in removing odors, excess moisture, and airborne irritants for a refreshed space. When the weather is warm, it's a great time to deep clean your carpets. Leave your windows open and allow the warm air to dry your carpets quickly. Get rid of dead tree limbs or any overhanging branches in your yard. Check your roof for integrity issues, loose shingles, and rust. Check the expiration dates on your fire extinguishers and replace them if needed. Test your smoke detectors and replace the batteries. When you're ready to sell, give us a call at 855-HEY-JEFF to connect with an agent today.